What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's art tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to draw Taylor Swift. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now, I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we'll draw a small circle for highlight, coming in, and we'll line it up on the right. Now I switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes, going around those highlights. Let's add a thick lash going out towards the outside. Starting on the left, coming down and up, come down and back in, and we'll fill the lashes in black. Now we're going to move to the center in between the eyes and draw a curve for the nose. Starting along the bottom, coming down and up, move up and draw a short curve for the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move back down and draw the mouth. Starting from the left, go down and then up. Go back to the side, coming down and up. Now let's add the upper lip. Starting in the center, draw a small V on the left side, bend this down and out. Now let's draw the lower lip. Starting back on the left, we're going to come down and then up. Now let's move to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, goes down, go across underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up towards the right. Now I'm going to brush the hair over towards the left. So let's start back on the left side. We're going to bend this up and then in. And step back down. We're going to go up, across, and then up. Let's add another layer. Stepping back, coming down, and up. And we'll do that one more time. Stepping down, go around, and then up. Now let's close off the right side. Starting up here, we're going to come down, out across the side of the head, and then down. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to add the eyebrow. Starting on the left side, come up and then down, line it up on the right side. And I want to add some thickness. Going higher in the middle, and then back down. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we want to draw on the left side of the hair. We're going to start up here, and go up, go across, and then down toward the side of the head. Now I'm going to bulge this out. Going out, and then bend that in. Let's add a fold. Stepping back up, coming down, across, and then up underneath the head. Now we'll finish off the hair after you draw in the body. We're going to start with the left arm on top of the guitar, starting underneath the head, bend this down, and then in towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, go around the bracket, and then up, step down, add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm, and just bend that back up underneath. Now in behind the thumb and finger, we're going to draw a circle for the center of the guitar, and then we'll fill that in black. Now from that circle, we're going to draw on the handle. Let's start from the top right, draw a straight line going out to right about here. Now it's going to overlap the thumb on top. So we step up, coming around, up, and then down. Let's continue this line on the right side. Now I'm going to come down, draw another straight line going out to right about here. Let's wrap the fingers across the bottom. Stepping down, going up, around and in. Add the second finger. Now the third finger, we go around the hand and then back up underneath the handle. Let's draw a short line on the right side, close that off. Now we draw the end of the guitar. From these 2 corners, we're going to bend this out, add another curve coming down and up, and then we'll round out the end. Now let's draw the body of the guitar. I'm going to start underneath the arm, then this in and round, go up, and then back down. Let's go over towards the outside of the arm, draw the back of the guitar coming around, and pull that up in the middle, round this out, and then go back up underneath the neck. Now with the guitar in place, we can go back and finish off the hair. We're going to step up on the right, go around, come down and out, and just pull this back in and then down in behind the guitar. Let's add the inside of the hair, go up and in, step back, and draw another one going up underneath. Now we're going to add a strap across the top, coming down, then going across in behind the hair. Now let's finish off the top of the arm, starting underneath the hair, going down, and then out. Now let's draw in the legs. We're going to leave a gap in the center of the guitar, step over towards the left side, bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, come down towards the same height. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting with the left, coming down and then up. Let's round out the top of the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming toward the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then from the top of the foot on the outside, we're going to bend the leg, going up and then in. Now let's add the edge of the boot. Start from the top, curve down and up on both sides. And then we'll add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up and trace that across. Now I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the guitar with 3 circles along the top and bottom. Let's add the frets across this neck, starting from the inside, draw these lines and continue towards the outside. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a drawing of Taylor Swift. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for drawing with me today. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next one.